We are pleased to welcome you to the module service. We have several videos for teachers in which we discuss the main features of our platform. Now, we will talk about the thematic planning module. In the teaching section, go to the thematic planning (TP) and click on the Add button. Fill in all necessary information for the new thematic plan: title, subject, teacher, grade, or indicate that the group is mixed, program, level, and number of lessons. Then click on the Add button to save the new thematic plan. You have created a pattern where you can add modules and topics for your TP. It will be displayed at the bottom of the page. To start filling, click on the arrow sign on the right side of the row. There are several buttons in front of you: Upload, Add a module, and Add a topic. Adding a TP is possible in two ways. You can enter the name of each module or block and each topic manually, or you can upload an already prepared TP to the template and attach it. Choose the way that is more convenient for you. Let's consider each of them in detail. If you don't have a file with a ready-made thematic plan, you can create one in Module manually. To do this, click on the Add a Module button, enter a name for the module, and save the changes. The module will then be displayed in the thematic planning. To add topics to a module, you need to click the Add a Topic button. A window will open in which you will select the module to which the topic belongs. Enter the topic name and specify the number of lessons for each study. When you have filled in these details, click Add to save the changes. The created topic will be displayed as a sub-item within this module. In this way, step by step, you can add all topics related to a given module. If you want to edit a module or topic, click on the pen icon on the right. Here you can change the module to which the topic belongs, rename it, change the number of lessons for this topic, add a check mark, and save the changes by clicking the Save button. If you already have a file with thematic plan for the term or semester, upload it to Mojo. To do this, you need to create a pattern for the TP and click the Upload button. In the window that opens, you will see the following line: download the planning file template, fill it in, and then upload it. Move all the data to this template. Upload the entire TP. The template is an Excel doc and it looks like this. The first column with numbers represents the module number. The second column represents the topic number in the plan, and the subsequent columns contain the names of modules and topics in order. The fourth column contains the number of hours allocated for studying each topic. The total number of hours in this module is calculated automatically, so you don't need to enter it. The fifth column indicates any assessments or exams planned for the lessons. If the thematic plan is created in a different form or program, you need to transfer all the data into this template. When you fill it out, you can upload it to Mojo by selecting the file and clicking the Add button. The thematic plan will be automatically uploaded to Mojo, and you can then edit it by clicking on the pen icon. These were two ways of creating a thematic plan in Mojo. What else can be done in this section? For each topic in the plan, you can immediately attach the criteria that will be tested in this lesson. For example, Cambridge criteria or criteria added by your school. To do this, click on the plus sign, select the criteria, and click on the Add button. To each topic of the plan, You can also attach files or presentations necessary for the lesson or attach educational content. To do this, click again the plus sign, select a file, name it, and click the Add button. You can change the order of the modules by clicking in the lower right corner under Additionally block, Sequence of Modules. Hold down the 3 vertical dot sign and manually move the module name to where it should be. In case of a large number of topics, you can hide the topics included in a module for convenience. To do this, click on the arrow next to the module name. To expand them, click on the arrow again. To change the sequence of topics in a module, click on the 3 vertical dots to the right of the module name. In the window that opens, manually put the topics in the desired order by holding down the 3 dots. The last step here is to attach study groups to the created thematic plan. To attach study groups, click on the Edit button on the right side of the screen. In the window that opens, select the groups you needed. Tick them and click Save. These groups will appear only if the parameters of the group and the subject plan match: grade, study program, and the level of study. The number of lessons may not match. Now we have created the thematic plan and attached it to the groups. Where can we find it when teaching? The thematic plan can be found in the gradebook and in the card of a certain lesson. Here you can use the topic from the plan by clicking on this arrow, or you can write a new topic if they don't match. If you need to make changes in the thematic plan, you can use this button. By clicking on it, you will see the entire plan. You can copy the current or previous topics. We hope this video will help you to create your own thematic plan and use all the functionality of TP module. Thank you for your attention.